Hello all. In the last lecture, we have seen the way to find out complements. In that, we have considered R's and R minus 1's complements, wherein R represents base or radix of a number system. In the last lecture, we have also tried to see what are the tens and nines complement considering base 10, as well as 2's and 1's complement considering base 2. We have also tried to cover different methods to find out complements for these categories. In those methods, we have seen some standard method which are formula based, by which we have tried to see how we can find out complement, as well as we have also seen some short tricks by which we can find out complements. After studying complement theory, we have seen how to perform subtraction with the help of complements. So we have considered two cases of subtraction, one with binary number system. In binary number systems, we have considered subtraction using 2's complement and 1's complement, and in decimal number systems, we have tried to find out subtraction using 10's and 9's complement. Now, in this lecture, we are going to see some examples for subtraction with the help of complement theory. So we will cover the examples of all these four categories, that is with the 10's complement, 9's complement, 2's complement and 1's complement. After this complement theory examples, we will study different codes. So why we need different types of codes in the computer? Because we may need to represent different numerals, different alphanumeric characters. So to represent them we will try to see the conversions from binary code to these codes, and how we can represent those binary codes using different types of weighted code. So firstly we will try to cover the weighted codes, then we will see in the next lectures some more categories of these codes.